tolerated, you'd be impeached.
Now, electric vehicles and motorcycles will now have green-colored number plates as Kenya continues with her journey towards sustainable transportation. Transport Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen made the announcement on Wednesday during the launch of the electric mobility policy in Nairobi as Kenya seeks to establish herself as a leader in electric mobility in Africa. Murkomen's industrialization counterpart, Rebecca Miano, who was also in attendance, underscored the importance of electric mobility efforts in growing industries and businesses.
Green number plate, yeah? Part of the reason to do so is first to encourage them, but because going forward, some incentives, and hopefully even in the city, we will be speaking to Governor Sakaja and his administration and other counties so that they can set corner areas for parking only EV vehicles at a cheaper rate.
We have gazetted, like I said, parts, and will continue adding into the list to promote local content. We are also working on incentives for EV manufacturers, EV assemblers, especially batteries, motors, local charging infrastructures, and even other spare parts. We have made various recommendations to attract local manufacturing. And at this particular
And that story brings us to the end of tonight's edition of News Hour. Hope you're adequately informed. Thank you so much for choosing KTN News to inform you. My name is Jesse Rogers. Our sign language interpreter is Damian Evans. Have yourself a good evening.